This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Armada. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.6-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an air suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: heated seats, chrome wheels, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.